Hello everyone, welcome to the next session of virtual training in endodontics. I am your friend and host for today, Dr. Vaibhav Garg, and I would tell you how to use the absorbent paper points properly in endodontics so that we can dry out the canals properly before the obturation process is happening. So as we are all aware that we get paper points in these vials. These are famous vials that are mostly available in clinics. This is 4%, 25 number. This is 2%, 25 number, 20 and 4%, and 20 and 6%. You also get nowadays these sterile packs. This is 4%, 25 number greater taper. This is from Coltene. This is for reciprocation systems. These are also sterile packs, and we commonly get this size 2% taper and 90 number for post preparation purposes, and we have to dry out post paste before the adhesives are used, or we are using resin cements. So before that these are required. These are big in size. So let's revise quickly how to use paper points in a right way so that we do not do mistakes. Lot of moisture is not left out in the canal and it is easier for everybody to understand. I have prepared this acrylic block with 25 size rotary file, and the size of the file was 25 and 7%. So optimally, because the apex is 25, it will be preferable to use a red colored paper point that is 25 size, either from any pack or this 2% can be used. So how many paper points we have to use? That was the question, and let's do very quickly how to do it in the right manner. Let us imagine that the canal is totally dry, and we have prepared it and we are doing irrigation. After this, usually most of the practitioners use intraoral suction, intracanal suction nowadays for better suctioning process. But what has to be done when we have already done the suction part and now lot of moisture is inside? So I would prefer to use a big size paper point first so that lot of moisture is used. I am using 2506 as the choice of paper point today. In my practice, what I usually prefer is, first, to absorb a lot of moisture, I use the reverse side of it, and with capillary action lot of moisture is already taken up, followed by another big paper point. Most of the practitioners actually stop at this level. What they do, they remove the paper point, and after this directly they will start using one more paper point and done. That's what they believe, that the canal is totally dry. But the real method of checking how to, if the canal is dry or not, I am taking 2504 size paper points, because multiple can be used very easily and I'll be in more control of these paper points. So let's see if the canal is dry. We have to place it and we have to move it in a rotating direction. Do it this way so that a larger area is in touch with the surface. Leave one take another one, and from here, from this point, as we have used already 3 paper points, now from here onwards I will try to see the tip of the paper point. If the tip of the paper point bends easily on the nail bed, that means it still has certain amount of moisture in it. I will go ahead with another paper point. Count till 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and just pull it out and see if it is still bending. So certain amount of pressure is, a very little pressure is bringing that bend in the paper point, but the bend is smaller than the previous one. And let's go again with another paper point. And let's see. Now the curve is a bit smaller than the previous one. With this exercise, we are in control of the moisture in the canal, and maybe 5 or 6 paper points will be sufficient to dry out a canal and rationalize it if the moisture is totally gone. The removal of moisture is actually essential for the properties of the sealer to adapt onto the, see, the curvature on the paper point has become very small. This gives me a fair idea that the apical area is dry, and we can see that the curve becomes smaller and smaller with the end. With this technique, I can assure you that lot of moisture has been removed and the canal is ready to obturate, and it can receive the sealer and the obturating material. Please try this technique and let me know how you get the dryness. Any other technique that my friends are using, dentist friends are using, please write in your comment box and let us know how the video has been helpful to you. Bye and take care for now.